So, hello guys. So, ito po ay isa sa mga napili ko po ulit bilang inspiration sa gagawin po naming prototype soon. And ito po yung DIY thermoelectric generator po. So, basically ito rin po ay nagpro-provide ng electricity po. So, ang purpose po nito is to convert heat differentials, often waste heat into electricity through the Seebeck effect po. So, itong DIY thermoelectric generators po can help us to advance SDG number 7 po by utilizing this prototype, and this technology offers an efficient way to generate clean electricity po, promoting energy efficiency, reducing carbon emissions, enhancing energy access, and educating communities about sustainable energy practices. So these qualities po make them valuable contributors po sa pag-achieve ng Sustainable Development Goals number 7. And also this prototype po can make us build a more sustainable and equitable energy future. And that's all po. Thank you.